Welcome everyone. Question on nuclear chemistry. The mass of the isotope of argon is 39.962384 AMU. So the packing fraction of the argon isotope Ar40 is. Choices are A 9.404, B minus 9.404, C 7.124, D minus 7.124. Answer is B minus 9.404. Explanation we will see in the next slide. Here given isotopic mass is equal to 39.962384 AMU. Mass number of argon is equal to 40. We know packing fraction F is equal to isotopic mass minus mass number by mass number into 10 to the power 4. Therefore, packing fraction F is equal to 39.962384. It is the value of isotopic mass minus 40. It is the mass number by 40 into 10 to the power 4 is equal to minus 9.404. Thank you for watching this video.